Hi everyone, and welcome to the Free Range Diva. Today is Face Mask Alchemy Day. I'm assuming you guys all know about Face Mask Alchemy by now. If not, I have a lot of videos reviewing this subscription box, so you can check those. But I wanted to jump right in and talk about this month's mask because it's really, really special, and I can't wait to do my own alchemy and demo with it. This month, it is called Sweet Marie. And this has chocolate and strawberries as the theme, and indeed there's cacao powder and strawberry powder in here. There is what it looks like. It's the smell, oh, please, it is strawberries and chocolate. I mean, literally it smells like a bowl of chocolate ice cream with fresh strawberries on top. So there you go. And a mask indulgence that is calorie free. The ingredients in this mask are pink clay, organic cacao, organic strawberry powder, and organic coconut milk powder. So it's got a lot of antioxidants. It's packed with antioxidants, as well as soothing and nourishment that you get from the coconut milk. The oil this month is right here in this little bottle, and it is wild harvested marula, organic prickly pear, sustainable sandalwood CO2 extracted, and organic sea buckthorn also CO2 extracted, and then vitamin E. The oil is so special that I am going to use it after I do my mask, and I'll show you why once I mix it all up. But Marie says that Marie, who is the owner of Face Mask Alchemy, came up with this mask because this month is her birthday, and these are some of her favorite things. So Marie is my kind of girl. She said that chocolate-covered strawberries are her favorite dessert, which is why she kept this mask simple but hoped that it would be very decadent. And she said that prickly pear and sandalwood are her favorite oils. And of course, marula is my favorite oil, so I am all about this oil this month. And the purpose of the mask this month is to pamper, of course, to resurface, and also refresh the skin. All of Marie's masks are very gentle, so you don't have to worry about any kind of irritation, but of course it's always advised that you do a patch test on your wrist before applying any product, including these masks. And as usual, the box comes with a honey stick as well, and a bamboo mixing spoon right here. So that's the mask for this month. And then the last thing before I get to the demo is, if you want to know more about these specific ingredients, as far as what the benefits are for the skin and the science behind them, you can go to the Face Mask Alchemy website, where Marie puts up a blog every month, and you can read more. I'll also link her video where she talks about this mask a little more in depth as well. And that should give you all the info you need to let you know what's coming. Oh, and before I forget, for those of you that don't subscribe, and the subscription cost is $10.88 a month, but if you don't subscribe and you've been thinking about it, she made extras of this month's mask because it's, Mother's Day or whatever month. So if you, go over to that website, you can just buy one box for the $10.88, and then you can sample this month's mask and find out if it's something that you want to go ahead and commit to. All right, now it's time to mix up the masks. So here we go. Oh boy. Okay. To start, the first thing I did was wash my face with my gel cleanser from Davida. I have been testing out a new cream cleanser, and I don't like it. I think maybe I'm just not a cream cleanser kind of girl. It doesn't leave my face feeling clean, and I've been using it at night, and then in the morning my face feels like it needs to be washed again, like it's dirty. So I just did that. And what I'm going to do is, let's see. First thing I'm using to mix up my mask, this little gem, What this is whey. It comes from yogurt. I have plain yogurt, and the liquid that separates from it is the whey, and this is loaded with probiotics and good bacteria, protein, lactic acid. So this is going to be my mixing liquid. Also, I kind of like the idea of strawberries, chocolate, and cream. And then, oh, by the way, if you have your yogurt and it separates like that, don't throw the liquid out, mix it right back in, and eat it, because it's really, really nutritious. And indeed, if you strain it out, like in a tea towel or cheesecloth or something, the yogurt that's left behind is going to be nice and thick, like Greek yogurt. But that whey can be used for a lot of other things in your kitchen, like a preservative, like if you're making, say, homemade ketchup, it will help it to last longer. So it's maybe I'll do a whole video on the benefits of whey. But anyway, for now, we're going to mix that up first. And then, because my skin is like really, I've got like blackheads and little flakes around my nose, I'm going to steam open my pores while the clay is kind of having a chance, while the mask is having a chance to really absorb the whey. And then after I've steamed open, I'll mix in the honey and the oil. And the oil that I'm going to be using is plain marula oil. And I'm doing that because I'm going to use Marie's oil mixture on my skin afterwards as my moisturizer, because it's got a lot of those really good ingredients in it. So just going to use plain marula in the mask, and not too much of it, and then the honey as we usually do. So let's get started, shall we? So the first thing I noticed as I was mixing it up is that it really took a while to work that liquid into it. Maybe, I think it's probably the cocoa powder that made it resistant, but eventually it gave way. I just had to really, really stir. And so now we have a nice creamy consistency. Where's my mirror? So I'm going to get it on my face here. Just let me grab my mirror. Okay. Oh, God. All right. Oh. Ooh, boy. Now, what I'm expecting is not only for my face to be soothed, it feels very tight and dry this morning. Which is weird. It's like my nose was looking kind of oily and definitely flaky and congested. And it felt oily and grimy, but it also felt tight at the same time. So clearly something in the evening, in my evening routine, needs to be adjusted, and I think it's probably that cleanser. At least that's the only thing that's new. But this is just going on like magic. It's so smooth. Can you see how, look at how this just glides. I mean, so nice. Alrighty, let's put some in here. I have a little extra. So let's go on, take it on down. I hardly ever do that. Take it down to the neck, but it's probably a good habit to get into. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on for about 20 minutes and then wash it off, and I'll come back and give you my thoughts. Be right back. Okay. I have been smelling chocolate for the last 20 minutes and I can't take it anymore. Okay, so the mask is off. My face feels, my face is very smooth now. It feels very soft. To my eye, as I look at it in this light, my skin looks brighter. It looks refreshed. It looks, I was looking pretty tired before because I haven't had enough water or enough sleep and all that other stuff. But it seems like my skin just looks better. It looks healthier right now. So yet another hit from Face Mask Alchemy. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of my Healthy Skin Toner. Here we go. And then we're going in with this beautiful marula and prickly pear seed oil. Oh, and I misspoke before when I said that I thought the reason it wasn't mixing in very well was because of the cocoa powder in there, but there's actually cacao powder in it, which is a step above cocoa powder because it has more of the antioxidants intact. And this oil that I'm about to apply is marula, my favorite oil ever, mixed with prickly pear seed. It has a very light, fruity, I think, scent to it. And you can see how golden and beautiful it is. Please don't drip. So I'm just going to put a couple of drops of this in my hand and then get it on my face. And this is very lightweight. And it's absorbing like immediately. I guess my face was very thirsty or certainly ready for it. Yes, it's already absorbed off my hands and it feels really good. My skin feels really good. I might go in with a little cream around the eyes here, but otherwise it feels amazing. Love this oil. I understand why Marie, who says that prickly pear is her favorite oil, I get it. Because, this feels just really good. All right. And the last thing that I'm going to put on right now is a lip balm, and this is from Flourish. This is their ginger elixir. It smells like ginger. And I like this because after about 5 minutes or so, it doesn't sit on the skin. It actually kind of, the oils in here and butters and things just absorb in, so that by the time you've got your makeup on and you're ready for lipstick, you don't have to wipe this off. It's already been, absorbed into the skin, and it's doing all its good stuff to soften your lips. So another hit for Marie's Sweet Marie from Face Mask Alchemy. And the good news is that if you don't subscribe but you want to try this mask, she made extras. So dash on over to the Face Mask Alchemy website and see if there's still any available to purchase, and you too can have your own strawberry chocolate lusciousness in the form of this Sweet Marie mask. Face Mask Alchemy is a subscription box that retails for $10.88 a month, and that includes shipping within the US. And it's one of the best subscription boxes that I think I've tried. So that's going to be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, because of course I'd love to have you. And yeah, I guess that's it. So until wait, oh no, wait. All right. So until I see you again, everyone have a great day. Take good care of yourselves, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye, everybody.